Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter Fortnite mobile installation failed error. This error can usually occur with the Epic Games mobile application not being up to date. Of course, we may encounter various errors like this not only because of this problem, but also because of many other problems. Therefore, we will give you information on how to fix the problem by mentioning a few suggestions. Before we show you solutions, we will briefly talk about the forum. You can forward various errors you encounter to the community on the forum portal we have opened. For this, if your problem continues or if you encounter a different problem, you can get a quick response by sharing it on the forum portal. We care about your questions and suggestions. Outdated Epic Games mobile application can cause you to encounter various errors like this. Therefore, we can eliminate the problem by reinstalling the Epic Games mobile application. To download the Epic Games mobile updated application, you can reach it by clicking the link I will leave below the video. If the Epic Games mobile app is installed before performing the installation process, uninstall it from your device. After installing the Epic Games mobile application, you can check if the issue persists. Any cache problem in the Epic Games mobile application may cause us to encounter such errors. For this, we can eliminate the problem by clearing the data and cache. For this, you can clear the cache files of the Epic Games mobile application by following the steps I have shown in the video. After successfully clearing the cache files, run the Epic Games mobile application and check if the issue still persists. Install the TapTap application on your device by accessing the link I will leave below the video. After the installation process is complete, run the TapTap app to find the Fortnite app and check for the update request. If there is a new update request, perform the update through the TapTap application and check if the problem persists. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix Fortnite mobile installation failed error. If you are encountering various errors, you can reach the community with your questions by accessing the forum portal we have opened. By supporting us, we can expand our community. Thank you.